Test everyone. How was your test today? Maths
So
test.
very
Sir,
good.
sir, it
It
was
was
very,
It
nice.
was very
very
nice.
good. Sir, good.
Good. Good or very good
Yes, sir.
or
Sir,
excellent?
excellent. Very
Sir, excellent.
Excellent.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes,
19
beta.
questions.
Yes, there were 19 questions.
Okay, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, beta.
Sir, today we will be starting a new chapter, bills.
Yes. Have we
Okay,
started
sir.
doing bills or not? We have done some questions of bills.
No,
No,
sir,
sir.
we have.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No,
No,
we have
sir.
not done one question.
We have before your UTs started. We before we started with the revision of.
Sir, you have done in fifth B. You have done in fifth B. As I have
Yes,
seen
sir, you have done in 50B.
Okay, we have
Yes,
not
sir.
And
started.
one day it
seen
was
the
a
video on.
combined class. From there, we have started revision.
Okay. So in this class, we have not started the chapter bills. Okay. No
Yes,
problem. It is a very easy chapter. Let us start with it. So the first question that we, first of all, tell me how many of you are going to score full today? How many of you are confident that you are going to score full in maths?
Sir,
Sir, I am sure.
sir, I am sure.
Sir, very sure.
Okay, I like the confidence. Very good, Pita. And Rishit, you are sitting in where? Are you sitting in heaven or what? The background is looking extremely good, Rishit.
Sir, it's blur.
मतलब, is it a virtual background or you are really
Yes, sir.
sitting in heaven?
No,
No?
sir, it's blur. This
Okay.
background.
Nice background. That day I saw someone was sitting in SR International. He was sitting on the gate of SR International. Who was that?
Hi.
Adhiraj Sharma.
Sir, any student? No, sir, Adit Singh.
Atik Singh. Acha. Ah, yes, you were there, Atik. You were sitting on the gate of SR International. Nice यार. मेरा भी मन है कि कभी मैं एसआर के स्कूल के गेट पर बैठ करके पढ़ाऊं मैं आप लोगों को. Okay, so let's start with the chapter bills.
Sir,
Yes,
sir, you can use virtual background.
virtual background. Actually, if I use the virtual background, I will not be able to show you the board. Yeah, Shaurya Saxena is now sitting.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Shaurya Saxena has changed his background.
Yes, sir.
He has gone to SR
Yes, sir.
just now. मैंने जैसे ही बोला 1 मिनट के अंदर शौर्य सक्सेना स्कूल पहुंच गए.
Me too.
Now Rishi Srivastav.
Rishi Srivastava has also gone to school. Very nice.
Sir, both IFCO childs are going to go. Oh, going to SR.
अच्छा, इफ्को से एसआर पहुंचने में 10 सेकंड भी नहीं लगे. अरे वाह, करमजीत भी आ गए. करमजीत भी SR बड़ी जल्दी पहुंच जाते हैं बच्चे ऐसा.
Sir, we are faster than light.
Rishit is also there in SR.
Sir, let's start.
Okay, let's start.
Yes, sir. Let's start.
So this is your chapter bills. Let me explain what is this, what we have to do in this. We will start with question number 2. Question 1 I will give you to do on your own. It is very simple. Okay.
Sir, we have to write this in our notebook. Sir, we have to write this in our notebook.
Yes, you have to wait. Just wait. Don't write it. Let me explain what the chapter is. I will tell you when to write it. Okay. So first of all, the name of the chapter is bills. In this chapter, you have to consider yourself as a shopkeeper. In all the questions, consider yourself as a shopkeeper. And
Sir, I have taken
question
question
two.
of bills in rough notebook of mine.
In question two, there is a customer named Anil. The name of the customer is Anil. He came to your store. You have a store. The name of the store is XYZ store. Okay, you can keep it on your name also. Rishit store, Shaurya store, Adiraj store, Vivan store, Karamjeet store, Hargun store.
Sir, I was thinking Rishit store only.
Arey wow. So you have your store. So this is your store XYZ store.
Sir, do we have done question 1?
We have not done question 1. We are starting with question 2 only. This chapter. We will do question 2 first.
Okay, sir.
And question 1 is because it is easy. Question 1 you will do on your own. I will tell you when to do, not now. Okay. So you have this store. There is a customer. His name is Anil. He came to your store and he bought these items from your store. He bought oranges. यानी कि आप सब्जी वाले हैं. सब्जी वाले नहीं मतलब you have a store, standard store. मतलब वो ठेले पे सब्जी बेचते हैं वो वाले store वो नहीं है. You have a store of your own. So you are the owner of a big grand store, just like Big Bazaar or something like that. So you have from your store he bought oranges, apples, grapes, potatoes, onions, tomatoes, and cauliflower. He bought these items from your store. So you have to prepare a bill for him so that he can calculate the. You have to do the calculation for the customer. You have to prepare a bill and send the bill to give the bill to the customer, and then he will do the payment on the basis of this bill. With the help of this bill, he will check the bill first and then he will do the payment to you. So do you all understand what is a bill? You all must have seen a bill whenever you must have went to a shop or something.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, I have seen.
Yes, sir, I have seen.
So now you have to make it with
Sir,
your,
I have also seen.
yeah, very good. So now you have to make a bill with your hand for your customer. Okay. So what is this? If you read the question, it is a word problem. You have to convert this word problem in the form of a table. This is a table which shows all the details. So first one is, you can see all the columns. The first column is serial number. Serial number is the first column. That means the number for the items. First item, second item, third item, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. So he bought 7 items from your store. So I have written the serial numbers. This is known as serial numbers. Then in the second column, it is description. Description के meaning क्या है? You have to name the item that is bought from your store. Item का नाम यहाँ पर mention करेंगे. Okay, name of the item. That is known as description. Okay. So the first item that Anil bought from your store is oranges. Second is apples. Third is grapes. Fourth one is potatoes. Fifth one is onions. Sixth one is tomatoes. And the seventh one is cauliflower. So he bought all these 7 items from your store. Then quantity. Quantity in the third column, quantity. Quantity means कौन सा item कितना purchase किया. So oranges, he has bought 2 dozen oranges from your store. Okay. 2 dozen oranges उसने खरीदे हैं आपके store से. Apples, what is the quantity of apples bought from the store? 3/2 kgs. Actually, in the question, it is given 1 whole 1/2 kgs. Now you all have studied the chapter fractions and decimals. Both the chapters you all have studied.
Yes,
So,
sir.
1 whole 1/2. अगर मैं इसको improper fraction में change करूंगा तो क्या मिलेगा मेरे को?
3/2.
3/2.
3/2. 1 whole 1/2 is also equal to 3/2. So I have directly written 3/2 here. Okay. So don't get confused. This is converted in improper fraction. Okay, so 3/2 kgs. Then grapes कितने खरीदे उसने? What is the quantity of grapes bought? 1/4
1
kg.
upon 4 kg.
Potatoes कितना खरीदा है? 5
5
kg.
kg.
5 kg.
Onions,
5
onions,
kg.
quickly
3
answer.
kg.
3
Onions
kg.
3 kg. Onions
3
kg.
Tomatoes
And tomatoes 2 kg.
2
2
kg.
kg.
2 kg.
and cauliflower
3/2
3 upon 2
Upon 2
kg.
kg.
3 upon 2 kg.
3/2 kgs. 3/2 actually again in the question it is given 1 whole 1/2. 1 whole 1/2 is a mixed fraction. उसको हमने फिर से improper fraction में change कर लिया, so you get 3/2 kgs. So this is the quantity of each product that is bought from the store, and then the cost of per unit cost. This is important. Per unit cost. That means the cost of 1 dozen oranges that is given in the book. Again, it is given in the question. Cost of 1 dozen per unit means per dozen oranges. The oranges की cost dozen के हिसाब से दी हुई है question में. It is also-
अरे भैया जाओ
15 per dozen यानी कि 1 dozen, the cost of 1 dozen
मैं बोला
oranges is keep your mic off. Karthik. Karthik, better keep your mic off.
sorry sir
Sir, may I ask something?
Yes. Yes, please.
Sir, in question 2, Anil went shopping for fruits. So we have to write full question, or we can only write Anil, then this, and then
You have to
and
only make the
in,
table. You don't
12
have to
per
write-
kg.
Don't have to write any statement. You don't have
Okay,
to write.
sir.
You don't have to write down the question in your copies. Just make the table. Okay, like this. This is only what you have to do in your copies. I hope you all are not writing right now. I have not told you to write down anything. You all have to just concentrate on.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. I have written only this thing.
15 per dozen is the cost of oranges. This is the cost of 1 dozen. Okay. And the cost price of apples is given for per kg. That means rupees 20 per kg. 1 kg apples का cost कितना है? Rupees 20. ये आपको question में दिया हुआ है. Okay, rupees 20. Then for grapes again, rupees 40 per kg. 1 kg grapes equals to rupees 40. 1 kg potatoes, rupees 7. 1 kg onions, rupees 6.50. 1 kg tomatoes, rupees 12. And 1 kg cauliflower, rupees 15 is the cost of 1 kg cauliflower. So this is the price per unit. यहाँ पे लिखा है per unit का मतलब 1 unit. Okay, it could be 1 kg, 1 dozen or whatever.
So, sir, we will multiply them.
Now you will, yes, very good. Now you will multiply these two columns to find the total cost. Now it is common
So,
sense.
24 into 15.
Just wait.
Sir, 15 is to
Is 15 1 dozen oranges?
20.
Beta, wait, let me speak. Rupees 15 is the cost of 1 dozen oranges. So what will be the cost of 2 dozen oranges? That you have to write here.
30 rupees.
write this in notebook
No, not now.
so
not-
30
Don't write anything. Don't write anything. Just listen to me. Don't write anything. Rupees 15 multiplied by 2. So you have to multiply these two and write the product here. Rupees 30 is the cost of 2 dozen oranges. Now rupees 20 is the cost of 1 kg.
sir I can't understand why we write 30 there
Sir,
One,
I think that per unit means 1 orange cost.
not 1 orange.
I think.
1 dozen oranges. 1 dozen oranges की price है rupees 15. So 2 dozen की price कितनी हो जाएगी? 2 into 15 rupees 30. Got it? You can see in the book. It is given in the.
okay sir
Okay. So what we have done? Why we are multiplying these two? Who was asking this? Why are we multiplying and writing 30 here?
Sir, I.
Nandini.
Nandini, listen. We are using unitary method or multiplication also. You have done word problems like this. 1 dozen oranges. What is the price? Rupees 15. So what will be the price of 2 dozen oranges? कितने oranges उसने खरीदे? He has bought 2 dozen oranges. So you will find the price of 2 dozen oranges. How you are going to do this? 2 multiplied by 15. So what do you get? You get rupees 30. So that is why we have written rupees 30 here. What is
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
So you have to
Okay, sir.
multiply these two and write the total. Total cost के लिए क्या करेंगे? Multiply करके यहाँ पे लिख देंगे. Okay. In the second one, second case, rupees 20 for 1 kg apples. 1 kg apples की price कितनी है? Rupees 20. So the price of 3/2 kgs of apples, you will multiply these two.
3 into 20.
You have done multiplication of fractions. You all have done in your previous chapters. In the
20.
chapter fraction, you have done this. 3/2 multiplied by 20. Yes.
Sir, the answer will be 60 by 2. 60 by 2.
Yes, sir.
60/2, which is also equals.
60 by 2.
Am I right or not?
It can
60
be-
divided by 2 is equal to 30.
Yes, sir.
So again, you get rupees 30.
Yes, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Rupees 30 again. Now,
And the second one, how we get 30?
3/2 multiplied by 20.
60 divided by 2.
3 into 20 करिए. 3 into 20 is 60. 60/2.
Yes, sir.
That means 30. Got it?
Oh, we are dividing. Okay, sir.
Okay. Divide 60 by 2, you get 30.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Next one, 1/4 multiplied by 40. 1/4 multiplied by 40.
40. So, sir,
40
40 upon 4 and
40
it
by
will be 10.
is equal
10.
to 10.
40 by 4.
So 10 rupees.
The answer will be 10.
Yeah. 5 into 7.
Then 5 kg.
5 into 7, 35.
So
35.
5 into 7, 35. 35.
Right. You have also studied multiplication of
Then-
decimal numbers in the chapter decimals. सीखा है आपने
Yes,
decimal
sir.
Yes,
numbers?
sir.
So can
Yes,
you
sir.
multiply 3 and 6.50?
Yes, sir.
Multiply these two.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir,
Sir, I
it
can
will
give you
become
the answer.
19.50.
I can give you the answer.
So yeah, tell me the
Sir,
answer.
it will become 19.5.
Please,
19.5.
19.
Sir, 195 rupees. 19.50.
19.50. Okay.
19.50.
Yeah. Very good, everyone. Next one, find the product.
And we have to write this in fair notebook.
24.
24.
Rupees 24.
Rupees. Yeah, you don't have to write anything. I have not told you to write anything till now. Till now, I have not.
24. Sir, 24.
Yes. correct.
24.
24. 24.
Rupees 24.
Okay, beta, sure. कितनी बार बोलोगे? Rupees 24, correct. So, you don't have to write anything till now. I have not said to write anything. Okay, just listen. Look at the board. 2 into 12, rupees 24 is the price of 2 kg tomatoes now. 24 rupees. Cauliflower, 3/2 kgs. We bought 3/2,
Excuse me, sir.
and the price of 1 kg is rupees 15. Yes.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, beta.
Sir, please wait for 2 minutes. I have to put my laptop on charge.
Okay.
Sir, it will become 22.5
So, sir,
rupees.
27.5.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
27.5.
27.
So this is 3
Sir, it is easy.
multiplied
Sir,
by 15.
3
You get
into 2. by 15, 45 by 2,
When you divide by 2, convert this in
then
decimal,
40,
you get 22.
it will come
27.
27.5.
22.5, not 27.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir. I was only saying that.
So 22.5, or you can also write it as 22.50. That also you can do, because in
Sir,
this
please
number
wait for 2 minutes.
there are 2 decimal places. So you can write 22.5 and you can also write 22.50. Both are correct. So this is 22.50. Okay, when you convert this in decimal. Now, grand total. Grand total. What is the total payment that Anil has to do? You have to add all these.
We have to plus.
Add. We have to all.
So when you add this,
We
you
have
get
to plus.
rupees 171.00. That means Anil has to pay rupees 171. रुपीज 171 में इतनी सारी शॉपिंग कर ली उसने.
So we have to
सर
add this.
ये शॉपकीपर में बड़े सस्ते में लगा दिया. सर हमने बड़े सस्ते में नहीं लगा दिया उसको.
हाँ, बड़े सस्ते में लगा दिए. तुम्हारी बात है, तो तुम्हारा स्टोर है.
This is a bill.
सर मैं महंगा लगाऊंगा यार. मैं सारा ले. Sir, the store, sir, the customer has done bargaining.
Yes, that is why. And you are also very kind-hearted. You all are very kind-hearted people. तो आपने जितने रुपए में खरीदा था उसके आधे से भी कम में आपने बेच दिया सारा सामान, because you all are very kind-hearted. अपना नुकसान कर लिया, लेकिन सामने वाले को बुरा नहीं लगना चाहिए. Okay, so now you all will note down, make a table with the help of a pencil and a scale. You all will make a table with the help of pencil and scale and note this in your copy, all of you. I am giving you just 4 minutes to do this. 4
we
minutes.
will do first. Sir, we have to do first this one or first one?
This one you have to do first. Question 2.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, beta.
So we have to write any sentence or nothing.
You have to note down this only. Whatever I have done on the
Sir,
board,
we
you
have
have to
to
write
write
down
any-
in the copies and use a scale and pencil for the table.
Okay.
Do this.
Sir, please explain total cost of cauliflower again.
Total cost of cauliflower again. Okay, very good. 3/2 multiplied by 15. 3/2 multiplied by 15. So you get 45/2. Now how to convert 45/2 into a decimal? You will divide 45 by 2 and you will find the answer in the form of a decimal number. 45.
5, 6, 7,
2 times 4, remainder 0.
8.
Then copy down 5. Again you will go 2 times 4. Remainder is 0. Sorry, 1 is the remainder. Then you will write down a decimal here and write a decimal here. Then you can write a 0 here. And then you will go 5 times. You get 10. So like this, I don't have that much space, so I'm not able to do it here. So if you divide 45 by 2 and you write the answer in decimal, 22.5. Got it?
So we have to do second question or first question?
You have to do second question, beta. The question which I have done on the board. This question you have to do in your copies right now.
Sir, please tell that what is the total grand, means the
Grand
total
total is
price.
rupees 171.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
1, 2,
Grand total rupees 171.
Okay, sir.
यानी कि ये जो सारे total आए
5, 6.
Actually, I was not able to see it properly. That is why. I was-
Okay.
2, 3.
Sir, we have to make this table with pencil.
Pencil and scale. Use a pencil and scale for this.
Okay, sir.
Start doing it.
Sir, it is not clear to me.
Because there must be some network problem. What to do?
So we have to write the question.
You don't have to write the question, you just have to make the tables.
Okay, sir.
Sir, I have done.
Sir, I haven't done.
So can I
I have completed the table.
Okay, very good.
can we do third one?
Yes,
Yes,
beta?
sir, please tell.
Sir, can we do the
Sir, can
third
we do
one?
third one?
No, you have to do the first one now.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Do the first one. After doing this in your copies, you will do the first one. Beta, you all have to make the table with pencil and you have to write in the table with the help of a pen. Write with pen and draw the table with pencil. Are you all doing the first one?
Sir, I have to say something.
Yes, beta.
Sir, I have wrote
Yes,
all the word with pencils.
No problem.
So what I have to?
Sir, I have also written everything with pencil only.
No problem.
Sir, I
So,
have
sir,
written table with pencil.
Sir, I have also.
No problem, beta.
Sir, I have drawn everything. Sir, I have also drawn with pen.
No
Sir,
problem.
hello.
Yes.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
pencil.
So we have to write with blue pen or black pen.
Any pen, beta. Any. Blue pen will be better.
And sir, for next
Okay,
question,
sir.
I have to write with pen or pencil only. As I have first
Your
done
choice.
the question
You
with
can write with
pencil.
pen also. You can write with pen or you can write with pencil. Anything.